Good evening, guys. Cesar 16 here, once again with a new pre-analysis. It has been almost a week, so I haven't uploaded anything because, as I said before, as I said last week, I wasn't gonna trade. I was just gonna trade for 2 days. That's it. So this is my higher time frame range. Once again, I'm gonna cover real quick the same thing that I covered last week. Right now, guys, as I've been saying for the for the all through my old pre-analysis, right here we got a range, initiation, mitigation, and that's pretty much my pattern. I wait for the price to create a range to then show me an initiation to then in the future come back up, in this case to mitigate it, to hopefully see reactions to the downside, either for a short term, like this, just to go down here to then keep going up, or for the long term, targeting this low right there. That's like the pattern that I always that's how I look at the market in every time frame. Here we can see the same thing. We got a range, initiation, we can see break of a structure over there, initiation, mitigation, and then that continuation. That continuation was for the long term to make the price mitigate this range here, to hopefully see some reactions to the downside. That's why I've been taking sales in general for the past weeks, okay? Because we are currently mitigating a range. Before we were mitigating this range, and since the price broke that range, we are just focusing on the next one, okay? Because that's how I think of the price move, okay? So in general, these like these lines that these drawings that you guys can see right now, those represents what the price may do for the whole week, okay? We may see the price keep, since we are bullish, we may see the price keep going up, to manipulate that range to keep going even higher, or maybe to start showing reaction to the downside after mitigating another range up there, okay? Or the price is gonna do this. Maybe the price is gonna go up just like that, but it's gonna go up like this to manipulate that high, to then show a reaction back down respecting the range from the weekly, and then we may see continuation to the downside for the long term or short term. So what else? We may see also the price, since we are mitigating this range, we may see the price going back down, reversing completely to rebalance this whole thing here, okay, to go to this area more or less, okay? Or we may see the price going down like this, just like this, going down to manipulate that weekly low, the previous weekly low, to then reverse back up to continue to the upside, just like this. So those are the scenarios that we may see happening for this week on the low time frame. Of course, here we most likely are gonna see the price going up to then reverse. Like we won't see like a structure at all. The price is just gonna be going up and down. But on the lower time frame, we may see something like this happening in general, okay? So I'm gonna go to my lower time frame chart right now, which is this one here. I won't cover what the price did in general. I'm just gonna focus on what it did. Okay, so here we see the price. The price manipulated the high, went back down, and it was creating a downtrend. And like I said the last day, I wanted the price to, I mean, this is pretty much, I didn't upload the pre-analysis, but this is pretty much what I was looking for. The price formed a setup here during London, but I don't trade London, and during New York, I'm not sure if it gave an opportunity. I'm not sure because I haven't checked, but that was the move that I was expecting. Okay, so right now we are seeing the price downtrending. Let's just focus on that. Okay, the price was downtrending here. Okay, but since the price broke the previous high right there, this high became the new high. Okay, so the only highs and lows are this one: high, lower low, lower high. Okay, so we are currently downtrending. Currently we are respecting the weekly range. Okay, that's showing a bearish structure to the downside. Okay, so for now we are focusing on sells. Okay, these lines, as you guys can see right now, I drawn them last night, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna be looking for today, for tomorrow. Okay, so the price is, as you guys can see, is on trending. All right, and right now we are above the 50%. We are in a very good location. Okay, we may see the price going down like for the next few hours, maybe before London, so I'm gonna be facing a different structure for New York, definitely, unless the price is just gonna keep ranging. But if the price stays up here, I'm gonna be looking for sales that may look just like that, or maybe up here after it manipulates the high, or maybe up here, buys. I don't see myself taking buys at all unless the price goes down here, manipulating that low out, and then if it shows me that it doesn't want to continue to the downside, I may execute a reversal right there. Okay, so for tomorrow, let's say if the price drops, it may do it. For New York, I'm gonna be looking for a buy, sorry, after a price manipulate that low, and after it mitigate this range, and hopefully if it shows me that it doesn't want to continue to the downside, I'm gonna take a reversal back up. Okay, that reversal may be for the long term, following that bullish structure that price is showing in general. Okay, if it goes up, it would make sense, and if it goes down, it would make sense as well. Why? Because maybe this buy right there is gonna set the next sell. Okay, this may be a sell to a buy to sell. Okay, so that sell right there may send the price back up to the 50% to then keep going down right after, or it's gonna go a little more higher to drop once again, or from here as well. This is why I say that I always look for the same thing. I try to be very consistent with the way that I take my trades. Okay, so this is nothing new. Okay, if you has been paying attention to all my pre-analysis, I'm pretty sure that everything is gonna make sense to you. I'm pretty sure that you are almost bored because I'm just here explaining the same thing over and over again. Okay, so yeah guys, let's see how it goes. Have a good night and thank you for being here. Take care.